installing your roofing. First things first, this is the top of your roofing sheet. You can see we've drilled some holes at one end of your roofing sheet. These holes will help the air vent under the ridge capping. Ben is now lifting up the first sheet and Dan is lining it up with the bottom. What you want is the bottom of the roofing sheet to hang over 20 millimeters past the timber trusses. And then you can put your first screw in one of the pre-drilled holes that go into the battens. Now Dan is lining up the edge of that sheet with the edge of the battens and screw off on the second screw in. You can see there that it is hanging down 20 mil. That is good, so the water can run and pass and not get caught up underneath the cabin. Now the boys are picking up a piece of roofing and coming around. We are placing the second sheet nice and easy, so you don't catch those vents at the top. Dan is lining up the bottom of the two sheets so that we know it's going to run straight and screwing it off again. You just need 2 or 3 screws in each sheet as you go, because once you have got all your sheets installed, then it's easiest to come back and just screw it all off through those pre-drilled holes. Don't drive the screws in too far, just so the rubber is touching.